Right, and roast your teeth a shake. So the dentist is ready. Alright. 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 Alright.
Don't shake, man.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, bless up on yourself, you know the style though. I Wull on there with the latest mix up and mix down. So please subscribe if for your first time over yourself, you know me so. Alright people, so right now, alright, that's how me I started. Spice post our man Jbudd. His name Jbudd, and me I show you to see it upon him chain. Jbudd media and upon our nails too. You can see what going right there. So Spice celebrate our man birthday with her in a different style, guys. Mexican style.
Hey. Happy birthday, baby! We're in Mexico! You can come in. I'll play the pool. Happy birthday, baby!
Las flores
Yeah guys, so after Spice post our man on our birthday and the look of vacation vibes, me I tell you enough people edge start hurt them, it start blast all over the media, viral settings. As I see Shenzi a comment down below upon Spice picture and say, at first me I live to see Spice post a man. As I see Jada Kingdom say from my ban, I never see this before. If you don't get me guys, so right now Spice a kill it still. I'm not gonna tell you them go hard on the local birthday, vacation, whatever them really want to call it. But people them say some good things. I'm not gonna tell you lie, you see me?
And roast your teeth a shake. So the dentist is ready. Alright. 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 Alright.
Don't shake, man.
John, people, comment down below. What are your thoughts on this? This not safe. This not safe, yo. I wonder if she know said that would make it worse. You see me, people? Like, them people are serious a country, you know. At Kingston me live, guys. But I want to feel like me are some country people, you know. Like that me I telling you, you know.
Yeah.
What's up?
Love, I'm gonna do this fair.
Right.
If you visit your girlfriend's house, right, the first night,
Right.
will you shit on her yard? You're gonna shit on your girlfriend's house for the first night. That's what I asked you.
I like, okay. The first night I got the yard and like the belly I work on me.
Yeah, because me have a tense love. Let me tell you something. Me with the home, I'm a don't want to use the bathroom. None at all. And as somebody come on my yard or me reach at them yard, even if I'm shy, as for example, I got my boyfriend yard, I dip on the road with him, I'm good enough. And as we reach at the yard, pop, you feel like you want shit or you feel like you want to do something.
Me not doing it.
Why you not doing it?
Me not know. It's my want to eat my belly.
Yeah.
I saw my kids them stay too. They are road, we just hold it. I mean that.
So imagine if you're over the yard for a couple hours, where you just hold it over there?
No, I got to find something and cut. But I put it there.
You can't control it.
Wait.
You ever really want shit for true?
Not true.
You ever really want shit for true? Wait a
Everybody go through that situation, but
if I have a boyfriend.
But listen what I'm saying to you though, man. So Omi stays still?
Yeah.
Alright, for instance then, alright then. Boom then And alright then. Me reach a yard then, right? And me pick you up and say, Fanny, come, we got a road. Near yard drive then. And like, come like, you eat something. Go and mix up your belly, and like you want pass gas. What that do?
No, repeat what you say.
Reach a yard. What par then?
Yeah.
Get to me I come from? What par? And come like you eat something before then. And it's a work by your belly. You don't really want to do it, but you just want fart.
Yeah.
What that do?
Go one side and fart.
But me I drive.
But me a fart tonight, me a fart. Oh,
Hell,
the fart
fuck.
kill me.
Hell fucking me.
But I for fart. Alright, Lava. I don't know if your body still like mine, but you want fart, and you see if you don't fart, it's going to have a press feeling by your bottom, like, and you know you have to fart.
Me no know. I just my body just feel away there. Me the end of it, no, me not doing it.
But what if the fart just come out, because sometimes you cannot control the fart? Your fart, if never just come out, sir?
And then that post that I jab over
So you're very big, so Lava, because you hold up too much fart. Manala, shut and laugh, bubbles. That make your belly big. But too bad, Lava. Me there I try to be happy. My grandma fall out, you know.
Yeah? Sorry for your body.
Yeah, my cancer killer.
Seeing so is my grandmother to cancer star. Cha-cha.
Mine have a Chris Gara house on the hill. Determination I go make my first meal. So me no watch the friend thing, cause that's a normal focus. Cause now for them your people, yeah, them no love. And not the same one where you and them grow up. You have to careful, cause them will get your throat cut. Because them love is to you and you have to stumble. Me just a go on right, me turn and stay humble. Love that song, they big up Shania Mir. She's my favorite female singer. I'm going to tell you the truth.
Jbudd.
Bad.
Jbudd.
Bad.
Jbudd.
You know, love, I don't know the cops them on this, so you know. Quick, fast.
But you must say, but Vani. I know it's hard though, but try to it. Just continue to be yourself. I know it's hard.
Yeah, man, be myself and dip on a low.
Alright?
Alright. Big up.
Yeah. I'm big of the police them over here to our watch. Big them up.
Big up.
No, me big them up. Big up Sergeant. I big up Corporal. I big up the soup. Yeah. What you talking about? It's lava place. Hey. Big up the police them who watch your show. Big up the lawyer them, big up the judge them, big up the dentist them, big up the school teacher them, big up the Christian them, big up the silent watcher them, big up the granny them, big up the young as them who watch it. Although channel office for 18 and older. When we have kids segment, we say kids segment. Okay? But big up everybody who watch it and laugh.
I don't know which woman in the United States of America would have opened them pussy and fuck entourage. I don't give a fuck how cute him look. Him and him railroad blood clot teeth. I don't care how good him look. Him not. Remember say, when it was Sione birthday, him say I got give $100. I call Sione half the year. He said, Sione, entourage get $100. No, Rika. When tablet are due around 10 days over here, you don't see entourage at all. And when the tablet them stop you, you see blood clot entourage. And them over here, railroad teeth. You know what this fair talk about dirty entourage? All you books you have no blood clot sense. If I was your mother, I'd
Hold up. I'm a Nobody not safe.
blood clot mean. You are the next one, suku blood clot hang them. Me can't tell like the blood clot no poison. You there not the blood clot coming. You chat a lot blood clot bully. Suku hang them. Me want blood clot fight you. You drop the woman them left, you drop the woman them right. Ring your pussy. Entourage that one day send $100. The people them at Jamaica was in need, and you was not present. Entourage, we never see your entourage.
Sure.
When everything stop give an entourage, you are the first person to pop up. So I saw what this a go on. I really what this a go on. Entourage, come out to my blood clot here.
Let me ask you a question. Straight from the point again also, okay?
Wow.
You're a rubber.
No, I do a chemical here. No, I do a chemical.
Somebody in the comments, somebody in the comments say, oh, we got some brown.
No, I do a chemical.
No, sir. I've been telling the say now, at the ring light, you know, everybody does not believe and go rub, you know. Only see the horse. It's a ring light, you know.
Nobody can tell me to please Suku hang them alone. Suku beat the woman them. Suku beat the fat woman them.